I need to log into this Cisco UCS platform emulator, but I didn't download that image file from this link given below. Except for that, I used the EduLab platform for that. So I'll go to the EduLab platform, and from here you can get the IP address 10.5.020. So I'll add for that 10.5.0.20, and UCS manager window is prompt like that. So I need to launch UCS manager, and next I'd have to enter the UCSP and enter that same password and give the login. So it's logging back. Yep, now the error message come like this. So I cancel that, and you can go to the equipment panel, and you can see the chassis tree, and here the main topology view. It's a nice topology actually. There are few chassis and several default servers can see here, and there are chassis also. First chassis, next, and the fifth one. Then we will go to the do the 12th lab. Just go to the 12th lab, and here we need to complete one energy efficiency course and one data center course in the by creating an account on Scandi Electric website. So we will go to that. Just copy this hyperlink and go to my Google Chrome. Here I have already created an account in here, so I have logged to there, and there are first login back, and here the my courses and courses catalog. So go to the data center college, and this certificate I have already completed 100%, and this is the certificate for that. And College of Energy Efficiency, I have completed this course, so it's also 100% completed, and this is the certificate for that, active energy. And let's move to the second lab. So the second lab, we need to create a UCS lab in the using the link. So let's go back to the Cisco UCS platform emulator. Here the EduLab portal, and I have already logged into that management PC, and can see and type that IP address back 20 front panel, go to equipment, and except for the fabric interconnect we can change the other things. Can remove the devices. First have to click this red button and go to edit device. Can delete them by selecting each. So red buttons are displayed like this. So delete device. Each device can be deleted one by one. So need to get rid of them all. Yep, all are deleted except for the fabric interconnect. And then we need to add the chassis. Press the plus button here and we have to add a name, CH01, and have to select here M20 and add. So here you can see successfully created chassis. So and a red mark is come like that, and we need to edit the device. So first have to go to template, and select the second one and move to this here, the B200 and the 2630D processor and 16GB DML, and that's all for that. And go to the power supply PSU, so we need to select the second one to 12,000 W platinum hot block, that one, and do this as the same, and need to enter the PSU slot as 1 4, and then go to the fan and we have to do same for that here. Need to drag it and we have to add 1.8, and fan also successfully added. And then need to go to IOM and select the third one. Yep, Cisco uses, and that one need to 102. I need after that, that also successfully added. Let's go back to PS2. Yeah, that's all. Then we need to manage the links. uh, Connect callings of this device, yes, and need to select the things like this: FI, FDO, and S1489282. You can do like that. And here press the red button and insert chassis. uh, Here, before we disconnected, we have to connect them back. Then we need to add the red button and insert chassis. Now it's successfully launched, and then we need to go back, reload the page. And here you can see one CHSP is added, one chassis. We need to remove this as well. Okay, now you can see here one chassis is added. That's all. And insert it. Then yeah, that's all. Then we'll go back to that uh, page and reload it. We'll reload this one. cancel this. Okay, in the main topology view you can see that chassis 1 is added here, and that's all for this. And all the 3 tasks are completed in this assignment. And so to conclude, that I have investigated and discussed the major 3 concepts: big data and Internet of Things and cloud services. And then I have implemented big data and Internet of Things and cloud in virtual environment. And finally, I have demonstrated 3 labs in virtual environment. And that's all for this assignment. Thank you.